In this video, we are going to see how to add an account. By default, you will have two accounts. One is cash and the other one is bank. If you need to add another cash account or bank account, you can do it by going to Accounting, scroll down and click on Add Account. Here, provide the account name, the balance of the account or the opening balance, the account type, whether it is cash or bank, and click on Add. You can also add how many accounts you need. I'm going to add a cash account. Select the account type as cash and click on Add. Now we have added two accounts. You can also view or edit or delete this account. So now let's say I have to edit the opening balance of my cash account. Select the cash account, click on View Edit and change the opening balance and click on Update. Now the opening balance for the cash account has been updated. Close this and scroll up and click on Home. Under Other Accounts, now you will see the two accounts that you have added. To delete an account, click on Accounting, go to Add Account and select the account that you need to delete and click on Delete here. The account will be deleted, and if you click on Home, now the account is gone. Thank you for watching.